What were the challenges you were facing, and what kind of prompted you into revamping your classrooms and your spaces?
So one way that PTZ Optics played into that was you all embraced the on the camera side Dante AV-H. So we had a very large Dante deployment on campus. We used Dante Domain Manager, all the fun stuff like that. So with PTZ Optics having that technology option and also having it at a fantastic price point and great image quality, it was kind of a no-brainer when we were doing equipment selections to move to that camera move to your all's camera models.
What has your experience been so far?
It's been great. I guess the best part about it is that the cameras require very little lift when it comes to onboarding. With the PTZ optics models that we're using, it's the Link 4Ks. The second that we plug them in, they immediately start talking on the network, and it's a very light lift and light touch for us to be able to get those spun up and working.
Getting less equipment.
So I mean, it's twofold for us. One, it's less pieces of hardware that we have to buy. So for example, we're using a virtualized control system on campus. So that way the brains of the room are set back in a data center. But in the lectern itself, we're just, we kind of look at those as edge devices on a network. So the smaller and more compact that we can get things, the easier it is for troubleshooting and also for our buying cycles. It just makes things easier across the board. Plus, if there is a failure, it truly is just, pulling one small piece of equipment out of a lectern, plugging it in and getting the network dialed up on it, and it automatically comes back on.
So, what has your experience been with implementation and then post sale?
Truthfully, PTZ Optics has been one of the easier vendors. Just you put it in and it works, and the solution's been really solid. There's other things that we're doing that can be a little bit more challenging from a networking perspective, but we have yet really to see a blip. DC, do you recall any you know any real blips getting the systems installed and up and running?
No, I said a little earlier, I was like, it's been fantastic. It's the cameras that we've been using, you just plug them in and they work, which, I know we're always pressing Michael's team to move faster, move faster, move faster in the summer. So anything that can be done to make those projects actually move faster is much appreciated.
How's been PTZ Optics been post sale?
So I know for us, we haven't had to engage too much, but the few times that my engineering team has had to engage with PTZ Optics, they say that it's been a great experience. The turnaround on information has been fast and efficient. They've gotten the answers they needed, and it's been accurate, and it's helped us get our problems resolved. So post sales, I would say you guys are checking all the boxes there as well.
I would echo that as well. Occasionally run into circumstances where, hey, we've got a device is not operating properly. Maybe we need some support on the back end to get it up and running, or hey, we just got something that's not, it's DOA. I don't know that that's happened, but it feels like our resolution, if we have any issues, is fast, which is what we're after. We're not having to chase you guys down to get support. It's like in a lot of cases working with the account team, Brandy, you and your team, we're escalating quickly. We've got clear, clean paths to tech support. And if we do need a part or a piece replaced, it's generally done in an expeditious fashion.